I have an exam tomorrow, 4 projects due by the end of this month. But I'm fine because Ed Sheeran released a new album. And this is my condition because there is a group of dangerous people outside spreading a rumor. And please cheer loudly if you were told this too. Beta, 12th में पढ़ लो, फिर तो ऐश ही ऐश है. So I started doing stand-up comedy very recently, and my first stand-up comedy competition was the most stereotypical thing ever. There were 200 performers. I was the only girl. Just kidding. There was one more girl. And only 7 people had to get qualified for the next round. And I wasn't even surprised when all of them were engineers. Like, do you judges have a list where you just check it off? Ladka hai, engineer hai, friend zone hai, middle class, single, bhai, agla star to yahi banega. And the reason I started doing stand-up because when I went for talent shows, I had nothing to show. Some people are like, I can sing, I can dance, I can do magic, I can paint. And I used to just stand there like, I can eat food, I can sleep sometimes. And the look of disapproval that I got from people was the same that Amitabh Bachchan gives Abhishek Bachchan whenever he decides to do a new movie. So now when people ask me, I go, you know what, I do stand-up comedy. So the question that follows is, oh, like Kapil Sharma? Like, shit, no, my jokes are funny and I don't offend people with that. The second reason I started doing stand-up was to defend this 3D stomach of mine, and as all of you can see, I am fat. And in India, that is the worst thing you can be. So I'll just be sitting in my room and go like, oh shit, jeans thoda tight ho gaya. And an auntie will magically appear in my room and go, beta pata hai kya? एक ना बंदर मिलता है अमेज़न के फॉरेस्ट में, उसके लेफ्ट पैर के दूसरे टोनेल का ना स्वेट पियो, ऐसे पतले हो जाओगे. लाइक डूड इट्स ओके, ग्रीन टी इतना भी बुरा नहीं है, मैं पी लूँगी. And you know, I don't have a problem with people insulting me for being fat because I can just go in my Delhi girl mode and be like, क्या बे, तेरे बाप के पैसे से मोटी हो रही हूँ. But the problem arises when it's my dad who's insulting me for being fat. This response cannot be used then. And my parents have this obsession of them with me losing fat. I could say anything in the world. I could say, Mom, look at this meme, so funny, yeah? But beta, thoda patla ho jao na. Like, Mama, you know, I scored more than Sharma ji ka beta. But beta, पेट का क्या करेंगे? And like, Mama, I want to get a haircut. हाँ, जिस दिन 5 किलो कम हो जाएगा, उस दिन वापस मिलते हैं. Like, Mama, I'm the president of the United States because apparently any idiot can be one these days. And then she'll just be like, beta, thoda to kam kar lo. And at this point, I'm so done with it that I might actually lose it. And by lose it, I'm not talking about my weight. I'm talking about my brain. Thank you.